Today I will be making cranberry pumpkin muffins. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Wash hands with soap and water. Ingredients: 2 cups flour, 3/4 cups sugar, 3 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon allspice, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 3/4 cups 100% canned pumpkin puree. Sift together dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and allspice in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, beat together oil, eggs, and pumpkin until well blended. Add wet ingredients to dry ingredients. Stir until just moistened. Fold in 2 cups cranberries, fresh or frozen, chopped, or 1 cup dried cranberries. Spoon muffin mixture into muffin cups lined with paper cups about 2/3 full. Bake for 15 to 30 minutes until toothpick inserted into center of muffin comes out clean. Here's our muffins. Hope you enjoy them.
Eat, Move, Save.